What the fuck is up, boys? Welcome back to another damn episode. I'm just kidding. Can you imagine if I started everything like that? Go on. Wow. Absolute quality. Wow. Even more quality. Wow. Wow. There was some of you guys that guessed correctly on the dyno numbers from last video, so I'm shipping out you guys the stickers that you guys get. Today we're going to be going on some back roads. We're going to do some, a little bit of playtime. We're gonna go get some exhaust clips. We're gonna go P.O.V. kind of style, even though I don't have a GoPro. Yes, because I left it at work. So that kind of sucks, but we're gonna get some backwards, get some exhaust clips, have some fun, and I'm gonna ship out these stickers to you guys that guessed the correct numbers on the dyno video yesterday. If you guys missed it, go watch it. The number was 281 wheel in 102 degree heat. Yes! I'm gonna have to go back in the winter for sure because I don't think my IATs were under 130 and they had a single fan, one fan, dude. All right, we did it. We did it. I don't know what's behind me because this fucking cage. All right, so we're gonna head out to Rancho Santa Fe. Ooh. Whee! I don't care what anybody says, I still like the pops and bangs. Only the pops and bangs in between shifts though. I don't like it when it's like, I don't like the overrun. I don't like if it does it like 1,000 times like an AK, so I don't do that. But in between shifts, those like that one pop, that's fire, dude. I don't care what anybody says, it's sick. All right, we're about to dip our little toes in. About to dip our little toes into the back roads, baby. You know how we do it, boys? Damn it. I don't like that overrun, but I have it, so it is what it is. Oh, dude, if there's one thing that I really, really do like about this car, it's the turbo noises, dude. It's the turbo noises. It never gets old. Oh, dude. Once we get this thing on the track, dude, it's over, dude. It's over. I'm not playing around. I do worry though, because I don't have coilovers, and that's like super sus. I should have coilovers, but we'll see what happens, dude. I should be okay on the track. I think everything else is pretty dialed. Oh, yeah, dude. Like I give a damn. Like I give a damn. Come on. Can you hear me?
I wait. Ooh,
look at that guy's headliner. What are you doing over there?
I still wait. I wait for cars. I wait for Chevy, and another Chevy.
It is Jean-Claude Van Damme. Oh yeah, full speed, dude. Oh yeah, dude. I got that power. Ooh. Wonder if there's a tune that I can get where it only pops between shifts and not when I let off and just AKs. I really do not enjoy that. Like, it's kind of fun to show people that you have it. Like, it's cool if you give rides and stuff, but like, other than that, ouch, right? We're gonna go get ourselves some exhaust clips really quick. This thing sounds like an absolute beef monster, dude. I don't care what anybody says. Let's hear what this thing sounds like. Guaranteed, I like the way that sounds, baby. Thank you. Oh, we're not done. No. All right, well, we got this officer police, or I don't even know what it is. It looks like a patrol car, but it just rolled up on me real nice and fast. So we'll see what happens. I don't think he's gonna get me. I don't think he can, but he's got no plates. He's got lights all over it, and it doesn't say patrol anywhere. So not looking too hot for you, boy. That's probably fine though. I can't imagine they can do anything, but I do want to get some clips right here, so it's gonna be kind of tough. Here, I'm gonna pull over. Let's see if he follows me. We're gonna pull into this guy's driveway. Fuck yeah. Oh, fuck yeah, I fucking absolutely did it so good just now. Nope, he left. Oh yeah, she can eat, dude. She can eat whatever she's hungry. Oh, dude, everything sounds... These tires, dude, they pick up so many rocks. They're very, very sticky. Every time a rock hits my, like, I don't even know what it's hitting. I keep thinking my suspension's falling apart. It's kind of what it sounds like. It sounds like bolts are just falling out, but apparently it's just rocks, so we'll see. Oh, I took that corner hard. Oh, I took it hard. Oh, I take it as hard as I want, dude. Oh, that corner, dude, I take it as hard as I feel like. All right, this corner looks kind of hype. It's got some camber on it, dude. Some camber, baby. Get some max angle, dude. Let's see if we can let her rip real quick. Hey, little guy. I gave her half the juice. I didn't even give her all the juice, dude. The more that I push this car around corners, the more I realize its capabilities are just a little unreal, dude. Like, this thing just moves, man. That's all I have to say. This thing moves. Quickly grab you guys. A little thumbnail. There we go. Oh, look at the straightaway. About to make me act up with the straightaway, dude. Oh, look at you. Oh, look at baby. Oh, very bashful. Oh, look at your mouth. Look how tiny your little jaw is. Look how tiny that is. So I was supposed to get the Miata today. That didn't happen, but I want to talk about the Miata. I'm gonna drift the shit out of that thing. I'm not gonna lie. That is the whole goal of that car, is to just start being able to drift really well. Like I said, I'm hoping that that brings in a lot more traction to the channel in terms of like growth. I love the Fiesta to death, and I'll always love it, and I don't want to get rid of it. The audience is just so small, and I'm trying to do this full time. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna still do Fiesta content, obviously, because that car is like beast mode right now. But a lot of my focus is gonna be going into the Miata to grow, because I can't not grow. That's the whole point, is to grow. I'm a little worried because, you know, just spent a good amount of money on a Miata, and if it doesn't work and nobody likes it, then I'm kind of screwed, right? I just feel like at least it gives me a good chance of growth, just because it's a car that everybody knows, dude. I'm gonna make the best content on it. I'm going to become the best drifter, dude. The best drifter that ever existed. Not really, but I'm really gonna try to be good at it. Like, I want to be able to drift straight up. I want to be able to do competitions. I think that'd be fucking sick. And that's one of my goals. And I think that following someone from zero to competition level on like a real basis, not like buying a fully built spec'd FD car and learning in it, like that's cool to watch. It's just not very relatable. So I'm hoping by like getting this car, it's not an expensive car. It's a nice one, don't get me wrong, but it's by no means, it's cost way less than the ST by a lot. And the ST was like 12 grand. But I just think it's gonna be cool for people to be like, oh, I could actually do that. If I really wanted to do that, I could save up for that and do it for sure, which is what I did. I just saved, you know, we're here. That's my hopes and goals for the Miata. yeah, I don't know, man. That's kind of the whole thing.